Edge Hill is a university based between Liverpool and Manchester. 160-acre campus with about 118 buildings. So Accruent really helped us overcome a number of roadblocks, and we had an old kind of aging help desk system that really didn't give us the insight that we needed to ensure that we were compliant. We wanted to reduce our reliance on external contractors. Now we have quite a large internal maintenance team, and what we wanted to do is better manage that team. VX Maintain has delivered across all those fronts. But basically through the entire life cycle, the workflow through to invoicing is fully integrated. And what VX Field does is, based on the configuration of the system, it automatically allocates work to those maintenance operatives based on skill sets.
Staff really engaged with technology and with the system, and they can see the benefit of it now because they can actually deal with things real time. In terms of our maintenance spend, probably on track for about 47% reduction, which is double. In terms of pounds and pence, roughly around about 140 odd K. In terms of tangible benefits and impact, I don't think that's something that we would have had with the in-house system, because we just didn't have that level of visibility.
We've started to put in a much better planned maintenance regime, giving us better forecasting really. We can understand the types of works that are kind of coming in over time, and we can look at it and review it and make decisions. The processes we've put in place have enabled us to manage our contractors in a much better way.
Contractor management, we've gone from a sort of order split of 50-50 in terms of internal orders versus external to roughly around about 80-20. So that's better use, more efficient use of the internal workforce. So for me it was important that we had that partnership type approach. What was probably one of the deciding factors for me was Accruent's approach in terms of guiding us through a review of processes, a review of systems, but also bringing best practice and sector knowledge. For me it's about time and doing things smarter and more efficiently.